In 2014, Supervisor Jane Kim of San Francisco stated that 69% of all San Franciscans make between 80,000 and less as an annual income. And so the question becomes, why are we then building for only those that make above 80,000, and how do we call them the middle class? In 2011, District 3 of San Francisco, the average income was $37,000 per year. The average rent was $1,100 per month. So today we also have then different categories. One example is a building that was advertising housing. There are now 3 categories: extremely low income, very low income, and low income. Bottom line is you start extremely low income at $24,650 for one person, and low income is now at $65,700. But for 2 people, that amount would be $75,100. All of these fall within that 69% that Supervisor Kim talked about in terms of those making 80,000 or less. So when you have a skewed area median income, as everyone is wanting to say in newspapers, online, etc., in defining affordable housing, who gets to define affordable housing? And how is that being defined? Those are the questions we need to ask right now, because again, if 69% of our population of San Franciscans make 80,000 or less, we need to be building to house the San Franciscans.
So in other words, the question becomes, who are we building for?
Yes.
And if you can clarify, you said District 3, the average income was something like, you said 30,000?
37,000 in 2011.
So District 3 would be North Beach?
Yes. And 29% of the population of District 3 are 65 years or older. The greatest density of seniors are in District 3. And so, yes, these are people whose income probably will not change, probably will not go up, although the rent is certainly going up. And if they are removed from their long-term homes, which would be rent-controlled, how are they going to afford to live here? These are the people who have worked here, who have lived here, maybe generations of their family have lived here. And so this becomes a very troubling situation for us in advocating for our seniors.